Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on problem solving, work in reverse. Some problems give you a number of steps which lead to a final answer. Your aim is to find the information which is relevant to the beginning of the problem. Start from the information given at the end and work in reverse to find the missing information at the beginning. Example 1. Tom is 1/3 of Bill's age. Sally is 5 years older than Bill. If Sally is 26, how old is Tom? So on the right we see the three people, and we will now do the working. The first bit of information at the end is that Sally is 26. So there's Sally, so we write 26 there. The next important bit of information is that Sally is 5 years older than Bill. She is 5 years older. So just subtract 5 from 26. So 26 take away 5, that gives you 21. So Bill is 21. Finally, it says that Tom is 1/3 of Bill's age. So Tom is 1/3 of 21. So 21 divided by 3 equals 7, because 3 sevens are 21. In other words, Tom is 7 years old. So there's a perfect example of how we can work backwards to solve a problem. Example 2. I think of a number and add 2 to it. I multiply this answer by 3 and get 18. What was the original number? Okay, so basically down here we finish off with 18. That is our final answer. Now, it says before we got to 18, we multiplied a certain number by 3 to get to 18. In other words, if we go 18 divided by 3, because division is the inverse of multiplication, that gives us 6. We're getting much closer now. It says here, I think of a number and add 2 to it. I multiply this answer. So when you thought of a number and you added 2 to it, you got 6. So if we go 6 take away 2, that gives us 4. And here is the answer. So 4 is the answer. Let's double check that this is correct. I think of a number which is 4. I add 2 to it. 4 plus 2 is 6. I multiply this answer by 3 and get 18. 3 sixes are 18. And it is correct. So the answer was 4 for the original number. Example 3. Mary baked some cupcakes. She ate 2 of them and sold 8 of them. If she had 9 cupcakes left, how many did she bake? Now here is the 9. Now it says she ate 2 of them and she sold 8. So if we take that 9 there, if we take the 9 that we can see here, and we add to that the 8 that she sold, and then we add the 2 that she ate, I think we'll get our answer. 9 plus 8 is 17, plus 2 is 19, and that is the answer. So she baked 19 cupcakes at the beginning. Okay, and there we go. Let's double check this. If she started with 19 and she ate 2, 19 minus 2 is 17. She sold 8. 17 minus 8 is 9. So we know we're correct. Example 4. A bacteria population doubles itself each day. If there are 32 bacteria on the 5th day, how many bacteria were present on the 1st day? So on the 5th day, we've got 32 bacteria. On the 4th day, we've got 16 because it doubles itself, remember? On the 3rd day, we've got 8, so you just keep halving. On the 2nd day, we've got 4, and on the 1st day, we have 2. In other words, the answer is 2 on the 1st day, and let's work forwards now. 2 on the 1st day, 4 on the 2nd, 8 on the 3rd, 16 on the 4th, and 32 on the 5th, and that is the correct answer. There were 2 bacteria present on the 1st day. Example 5. On day 1 there is 1 flower on the pond. The number of flowers doubles each day. If the pond is completely covered in 20 days, how long did it take for the pond to be half covered? Oh, this is easier than you think. In 20 days, right, the pond is fully covered. So what do you reckon happens after 19 days? Given that from here to here, the pond doubles in size. In other words, if you go back to day 19, which is 1 day earlier, the pond is half the size. So the answer is 19. That's a little bit tricky, okay, because it doubles itself every day. So 1 day before, it must have been half the size, so the answer is 19. So there are some great examples of how you can work in reverse to solve some problems.